Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the JE made slip joint here with me, version 2. This is a pretty cool slip joint made in China. It has an overall length of 7 inches, and when it's closed, this guy is going to be 4 inches long. It has a pretty cool carbon fiber scales with a titanium DLC coated and stone washed bolster. The blade is S35 VN 3-inch long, drop point, nice wedge blade going on with a flat grind. Really cool, classic and classy at the same time design with a mix of traditional and modern look. As you can see, this is like carbon fiber going on, titanium, very cool, a little bit on the aggressive grind over here, but it's a slip joint, so very traditional, mechanically speaking knife. The sound of the walk and talk is this: snappy and very solid, but not too loud. So to be still considered like a gentleman's carry, so very nice. It's pretty light. It's in the pocket. This is gonna be weighing 2.5 ounces. There's no pocket clip, of course, just a nice lanyard hole. The grip of this guy is gonna be, I mean, pretty straightforward, nice, smooth. There's no hot spots, of course, no jimping going on. The action is very nice. You can close it with one hand very easily. It's tough to deploy with one hand. You're gonna need 2 hands and use this nail nick fuller kind of thing to deploy the blade. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.